Hello family, good afternoon. I want to make this video about the premise application that I did the first part about 4 months ago, and I stayed until I want to, many people, this video is going viral currently. It's getting traction and I'm gaining momentum and it's starting to roll, and I'm doing this as it's part 2 to show some tips and tricks about this premise application. And this premise application, it's owned by Mel and Bill Gates Foundation. It's a very legit application, and you will just get paid for sharing the photos that they ask you to take and say it with them, and the brief informations that they ask about. So I want everybody to know about this premise application. Yes, this is the application. If you are new here on the channel, others who have watched the first part already, you can I've left the timestamps below, so you can just jump straight to other topics. And okay, for the premise application, it's like it is meant purposely for only one phone. If you try to create 2 or 3 accounts using the same phone within that premise application, your account will be suspended, and your phone IP address, it's already been recorded, so you will never be able to create a new premise account with that same phone again. Therefore, be careful don't ever try to create 2 or 3 accounts in your phone that you are using to do premise task. So be careful with that. And number 2 thing that I want to talk about that premise application is, you must if you want to earn more with that premise application, please, you must have more than one phone. You must, if you want to double your earnings with that premise application, you must have more than one phone. I repeat, try to have at least 3 to 5 phones. You try to use your family members' phones and other people's phone, your friends and family's phones, whatever. You borrow their phone if they don't know about the premise application, and then you use their email, or you create a new email account purposely for the premise application, and then you sign up with that premise application using the email you just created, and then use that on their phone for some time, and then you get that money, transfer it to your own SIM card, because with premise to premise app you cannot transfer it, or you can let it to build up and then transfer it into your Payoneer account and do your withdrawal. And tell them not to play around. Tell your friends and family or your one talks there, whoever you are using their phone, not to play around with your premise account, or you better do that. Once you install premise on their phones, every time after using their phone to do your task, you better delete that, uninstall that premise application in their phone, so to prevent them to alter your account, so that it will get suspended. Therefore, be careful with that. And every time you want to use that premise application on their phone again, you install it again and use it. It doesn't matter, as long as it's doing the work to earn you money, so don't worry. Okay, these are the 2 things that I want to say about the premise application. Use your head whenever you are going around trying to do your premise task. For every 1 month, it's kind of 120 kina worth of locate tasks, which is 10 kina price tag that you can accumulate in your account, premise account. So there are about 12 tasks worth of 10 kina, which will total up to 120 kina will be appearing on your locate task. So with that, you can get that, and then do those tasks, and you will get some high ticket payouts here. So like there are other tasks like 1 kina and 72 and whatever, but sometimes you will not you will waste a lot to get these small amounts of money. So I go for those big tasks only, and I'm not restricting you to do those small tasks too. They always accumulate up, and they happen to be there every day. So these are some few things about the premise application that I want to say with the premise users of Papua New Guinea. And I want to say another thing about the premise application is that for those 10 kina tasks and 25 kina, 30 kina, 35 kina tasks, they are paid after 72 hours. So don't try to do the task and expect it to happen, the amount to appear fast on your dashboard or your wallet, premise wallet. It will take time. And for those 1 kina task and 70 toya and those toyas, it will happen in the payment appears in 24 hours time. So give some time, don't rush. And yes, these are few things that I want to say with you about the premise application, since I did the first video about premise some months ago, and I will still give some updates about the premise app. We also for premise users in Papua New Guinea, we have a Telegram group for premise, and I have left the link in the description. You can go and download it there. Go and join that Telegram group. I have also left the link to my blog, which if you don't have the premise application, I've left the link to my blog. You go to my blog and download that premise application, and you sign up using your email, and then do the task, and you get paid for your work that you do. And yes, with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Much love and stay blessed, kids.
Today is a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. That's what I say. What do I want pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams. Yeah. Oh, yeah.